Hello student, welcome to Chitrans Academy. Today we are going to solve the problems which are given in your exercise of gravitation part 1. So we will solve the second question because we have completed our first question in our previous video. So the question says the radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. If the mass of the planet A is ma, then what must be the mass of B so that the value of G is gravity, that is acceleration due to gravity of the planet, on B is half that of the value of on A. So we have to calculate the mass of planet B. Okay. So whenever we are solving the question, first we are writing the given. So what are given? So we have to write given. It is question number 2 of gravitation. So we have to write given. What is given? The radius of planet A, that is RA, is half the radius of planet B. It is given. Then the radius of planet A is half of the planet B. The mass of the planet A. Now mass of planet A is ma. Likewise, the mass of planet B is mb, and the value of G on B is half of the value of G on A. So these are the conditions. So now this is the given part. So we have to find. So we have to write to find. What we have to find? The mass of planet B. Then we have to write formula then. Which formula we have to use? We have to use formula G equals to capital G into m divided by radius of planet and square. So this formula we have to use. So now we will solve. So we have to write solution. So according to the given condition, we can write the value of G, on planet A is given as G of A equals to, according to the formula we have to design that G into, we are talking about planet A, that means we have to write mass of planet A divided by radius of planet A square. Okay, so this is our first equation. Likewise, the value of G on planet B, the value of G on planet B will be, so we have to write GB equals to capital G into mass of planet B divided by radius of planet B square. So it is our second equation. So we have the condition, and condition is the value of G on planet B is the half of value of G on planet A. So we have to place value of g over here from equation number 1 and 2. So what is GB? So we have derived the GB is, that means the value of g on planet B is g into mass of planet B divided by radius of planet B square equals to half. So we have to write half into, what is the value of GA? The value of GA is capital G into mass of planet A divided by radius of planet A square. So this G and this G will get cancelled. So we have to calculate the value of MB. That means we have to transfer this one to another side. So it is in division form. So we will go in multiple form. So we can write mass of planet B equals to, here we have 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into, we have mass of planet A into, this will go in multiple form. So we have to write RB square. So RB, that means radius of planet B square divided by, we have here radius of planet A square. So now MB equals to, we have half, so half into mass of planet A into, we can write this RB divided by RA whole square. Here RB is square form, where as well as RA is also in square form. So combinedly we can write RB divided by RA whole square. So now here we have RB divided by RA equals to 2. How? The condition is given as the radius of planet A. The radius of planet A is equals to the half of radius of planet B. So we have to transfer this RB over here. So what will be become? It will become RA divided by RB equals to 1 by 2. If we will apply inter window here, then it will become RB divided by RA equals to 2. So this RB divided by RA equals to 2 we have to place here. Then what we will get? We will get MB equals to half into MA into RB divided by RA is 2. So we have to write square of 2. So 2 square is 4. If we will cancel this 2 to 4 will be, so or we can write 2 square, that means 2 into 2. So one of the 2 will get cancelled. So MB, that is mass of planet B, equals to, what we have here? 2. So 2 of MA, and this is the answer. So we can say the mass of planet B is the twice as the mass of planet on A. So this is the answer. So we have to write result. So result. So what will be result? The mass of planet B is the twice of, twice means double, twice of the mass of planet A. So this is the answer. So if you want to write, I am giving you the closest picture of this video. So now we will solve the question number C. The question is C. What the question says? The mass and weight of the object on earth are 5 kg and 49 Newton respectively. What will be their values on the moon? Assuming that the acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1/6 of that on the earth. So we are solving question C. Solving question C. The question C says the mass of an object is 5 kg. So we have to write mass. That means we have to write given. What is given? the mass of an object is 5 kg, then the weight on the earth is 49 Newton, and acceleration due to gravity on moon is the 1/6 of the acceleration due to gravity on earth. So these all are given. Now we have to write to find. Now to find what we have to find: mass on moon, it is question mark, and weight on moon, question mark. That means we have to find. Now we have to write formula. So which formula we are going to use? We have to use W equals to mass into acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but g, so we have to write mg. So for earth weight on earth equals to mass on earth into g of earth. So what we have to find? G of earth means we have to transfer this to another side. So we can write gravity on earth, that is acceleration due to gravity on earth, equals to weight on earth divided by mass on earth. And we know the weight on earth is, so we write g on earth equals to, what is the weight on earth? That we have written in given. The weight on earth is 49 Newton, so we have to write 49 Newton divided by the mass of object is 5 kg. So if we will solve, so g of E we will get about 9.8 meter per. We know the acceleration due to gravity. What is the unit of g? It is meter per square second, or we can write just 9.8 meter per second square, because Newton per kg is nothing but meter per square second. So this is the value of g on earth. Now weight on moon. So we know the formula is weight on moon equals to mass into gravity. So mass on moon into gravity on moon. So we know what we have to find. We have to find GE. That means we have to transfer this one, or we can write directly also. So we know weight on moon equals to the weight on moon equals to, we know the mass remains constant all over the universe. That means the mass will be 5 kg. So we have to write 5 kg into the gravity on moon. The gravity on moon is 1/6 of the gravity on earth. That means 1/6 into gravity on earth. So weight on moon equals to 5 kg, or 5 into 1/6 into, we have just derived the value of GE is 9.8. So we have to solve. So we will get weight on moon equals to, if we will multiply this one, or we can get 5 into 9.8 divided by 6. If we will solve, we will get 8.1666, or we can write weight on moon equals to 8.17. So this is the weight on moon, and we know the mass is the mass remains same all over the universe because it does not change time to time and weight place to place. So now we have to write result. So what will be result? So the result will be the mass of an object on moon is 5 kg, because the amount of matter is nothing but the mass and it remains constant all over the universe. It does not change place to place and time to time. Then the weight of an object on moon is, we have just calculated, it is 8.17 Newton. So this is the answer.